So how do we connect our MetaMask wallet with the Harmony One network? So there is this documentation. Okay, so we have to go to custom RPC and then fill in the network name for mainnet, and we can use any of these URLs. Chain ID, yeah, there are 4 shards right now, so let's say shard 0, currency symbol 1, and that's their explorer, and we can hit save. And once we're done with this is the extra network that's available. And let's say crazy one domain, let's try to connect with crazy one. Connect, yeah, so now it's prompting for a MetaMask notification I've got from MetaMask. Earlier I was not getting this notification, so let's say, yeah, I'll do next. Well, I'm connected now. Thank you.